think Pankaj ji can talk more.
Uh, as the album speaks for itself, I think Pritam has done a wonderful job. I'd also like to compliment Irshad Kamil, who has written the lyrics of the film. Uh, both of them put together have done absolutely wonderful work on this film. And I'm extremely, extremely happy. I also want to put some kind of misunderstanding that happened, that something I have composed in the film which I have not. I want to make it very clear. Yes, as a director, it's my job to guide my music director as to what I want and get that out of my music director. But all the compositions, everything that has been made is Pritam's doing. All the lyrics that have been written are Irshad's doing. So it's the combination of the two of them, and somewhere because of the script that we had, because of what I wanted for the film, that the music of this film has come to the stage where it has come. So I thank the audiences, I thank Pritam, I thank Irshad, I thank everybody who has sung in this, who has been related to this film to create the music to the level it has reached today. Thank you, all of you.
According to me, it's Ek Tu Hi Tu is my favorite song, because it has a lot of pain and longing, and I love drama. So I think it completely like feeds my need for drama in life, and I love this song because it's also soulful and spiritual at some level. I think it not only talks about love, but it talks about love of another kind. So I love Ek Tu Hi Tu, and Pritam, thank you for giving me such a beautiful album for my film. And
Yes.
Pankaj sir.
Oh, thanks.
And Shahid.
Shahid, you want to wrap it up before we open the champagne? Pop the
Oh,
champagne.
okay. Well, I think Dad and Pritam are probably the right people to be speaking about the music. I remember me and Pritam have obviously done a lot of work together. He's always done a great job for all my films. And I remember when me and Dad first spoke about who should do the music of the film, Dad was very clear that because it's a love story, he felt that Pritam was somebody who was exceptionally talented and exceptionally gifted in the kind of tunes that he comes up with, especially for love stories. That kind of romance that he creates is something that Dad was very happy with. And the first time when Pritam was supposed to meet Dad, Pritam was a little nervous. And he said, यार तू भी आना मेरे साथ, पंकज जी के साथ मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है, क्या होगा, मैं stressed हूँ. तो ये usually life में हर चीज़ के लिए stressed लेता है, ये इसकी आदत है. But I remember I reached the meeting, and in 10 minutes I left because Dad and Pritam were so clear about how they wanted it to be, and you know, their relationship started off so easily and so well. But yes, I would definitely like to say that Mausam is a film of a different kind. Therefore, it needed music which was of a different kind. It needed to create a world of romance which is different from the kind of romance that you've seen till today. And I think the way Dad and Pritam have worked together, yes, we've been able to achieve that world which is different and new and fresh. How much people like it or not really is not something that any of us can say. That's for people to decide. But I think we were able to create a different world. We were able to create a new world in terms of the kind of sound that Mausam has, the kind of music that it has, the kind of lyrics that it has, and the feel of the music. It's very soulful and very different. And so I'd like to thank Pritam and obviously Dad for writing the script, which offers me to play this part, and for Pritam to have done such a wonderful job with all the songs, and Irshad Kamil, all the singers who've been a part of the film as well.